Introducing Dozy, your contact-free health companion that makes taking care of your health easy. Dozy comes with a thin sensor sheet, a small module and a smartphone app. Notify you of potential illnesses before you see any symptoms so that you can take timely action and prevent medical emergencies. You can share your health profile with your family and caregivers so that they know how you're doing. Dozy also comes with a guided meditation feature and sleep library that can help you to de-stress and fall asleep faster. And for the first time ever, you can measure how impactful your meditation session was to improve your practice further. With Dozy, taking care of your health is as easy as sleeping.
If you're still flying a drone, you are a century behind. This is the age of tinkering, and really just figuring out what else there is to a drone. Because the 21st century is not the age of flying, it's the age of experiments. But how do you experiment with drones that are fragile, expensive, difficult to reprogram? And that's where we come in. We are engineers and researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology, working on drones for the past 8 years. After successfully launching our flagship product, Pluto, we've now come up with a comprehensive aerial robotics kit, Pluto X. With this aerial robotics kit, you get an open source firmware, free SDK, comprehensive frame design, spare propellers, and a learning kit. Easy to code, crash resistant, and affordable for all your crazy experiments. So don't just get stuck to flying. Think of the Pluto X as a buddy for the lazy ones, a wildcard for the crazy ones, a friend who's got your back, a pet, a companion, a musician maybe? It compensates for your height, and once in a while for your lack of words. Fly it, build it, crash it, whatever you do, just be open to experiment. Pluto X, the most agile and modular aerial robotics kit.